Here's my tutorial for one of the complicated problems on the big pH fakie. So we want to find pH, but for pH you need molarity, and for molarity you need moles per liter. So this gets a little complicated. What we're going to do is realize that H plus OH minus makes water. 1 and 1 makes 1. So if you had 5, you would need 5. If you had 10, you would need 10. The amount of water we're going to make, by the way, is going to be inconsequential compared to what we had before, so we're not going to count that for anything. But let's do a dumb little sample problem with easy numbers. If we had 7 H pluses and 5 OH minuses, then 5 of these would use up 5 of those, and you'd have 2 H pluses left over. Well, how much H plus and OH minus do we have? Remember, to get moles, we can do liters times molarity. So for your H plus line, convert this to liters. Don't leave it as milliliters. We can take liters times molarity and get moles. And then don't leave it as milliliters. Put it the decimal back here, 3 spots. Multiply by molarity, and we get moles. Now, this happens to be sort of upside down because you have to do big minus small. So we're going to take this minus that, and this is what's left over. Or you could say this 0.027 here burns up 0.027 here, and this is what's left over. Be careful that you have the right thing left over. It's not the one on top or bottom. It's the one you had more to start with. So we're going to have this amount of OH minus left over. Now we solve that. What's the liters? Well, when we added these milliliters together, they just add up, because if you pour 1 liter into 1 liter, you get 2 liters. So we're going to convert this to liters, add them up, and here's our new liters. That is what we did, so we could get this number here, like here. So we have moles per liter, and when we divide, we have 0.127 molarity of OH minus. And be careful again that you're following which one of these we had. When we take negative log of that, we get 0.9, and we've all made this mistake. Be careful again which P number you have. It's really tempting to put pH because maybe you've been writing that a lot. But if you're going to put the OH minus number in, you're going to get POH. And since they add the 14, it's 14 minus your previous answer will give you pH.